What's up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Danessa Myricks Colorfix Stix. I have them in the two shades, Duo 4 and Duo 7. They're pretty pricey, so definitely don't have all of the shades, but I picked the colors that I felt would complement my skin tone the best and would be more for like a everyday or just get the most use out of them. So I used one Colorfix stick per eye. So if you want to know more about these sticks and you want to see how I apply them, then keep on watching. Okay, I picked up two shades of the Danessa Myricks Colorfix Stix Multi-Use Pearl Pigment Stick for eye, chip, cheek, and lip. I have them in Duo 4 and Duo 7. So Duo 4 is Apollo and Artemis, and Duo 7 is Magic Hour and Aurora Radiance. So this is what the box looks like. These each retail for $38, so it's really expensive, but you get sort of two colors in one. It's a double-sided sort of product. So let's open them up. I'm gonna do two looks today. I'm using each of these, probably one on each eye, just to show you guys what it's like and give you my thoughts on the product. So first, let's start off with swatches. The first one I'm gonna swatch is Duo 4 Apollo and Artemis. So this is what the stick looks like. It is magnetic, so I'm guessing they're interchangeable with whatever colors you want to, add on to it. Okay. So that is Apollo. Now this is Artemis. Very nice. Okay. It's very cooling. It feels like cold air or cold water is hitting my hand right now. It feels really good. So that's probably going to feel really nice on my eyelids. Next we have Duo 7, and this is the metallic side. This is Magic Hour. And then on the foil side we have Aurora Radiance. All right, I'm gonna turn the light down a little bit just so we can get a better idea of what these colors actually look like. So first we have Apollo, then Artemis, then we have Magic Hour and Aurora Radiance on the bottom. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit of a comparison. I have the Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 6 I Am palette. I don't have any other, her most recent palette, but I have this one. So I wanted to just do like a quick comparison to show you what the difference is between like her pressed foil and metallics versus what the Colorfix sticks do. The top row we have the Colorfix sticks, and the bottom we have some of the foils and the metallics from the I Am palette. And I just wanted to show you the difference. I do feel like the Colorfix sticks give a bit more shimmer and just light. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so we can do a quick eye look. I'm gonna apply these the way that I would apply any sort of shimmer to my eyes. I would never put it directly all over my eyes. I would definitely carve out my crease and do something on the outer edge. So I'm gonna do that today, and I'm gonna use my Patrick Ta palette. I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta Major Dimension 3 Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, so this is the base I'm gonna start with, and let's jump right into it. Let me read the instructions on how we're supposed to use this, because I don't wanna use it incorrectly. It says eyeshadow, apply as a base, wear solo, or blend multiple shades for a custom look. If you want to use it as highlighter, then gently tap onto cheekbones for a radiant shimmering effect. And if you want it on your lips, just swipe directly onto lips for a glowing radiant finish. It doesn't really say like how to use this. I guess it doesn't really matter how you use it. Shouldn't. So let's see. I think I'm going to start with the metallic side, and then on top of the metallic side I'm going to put the foil. So first we're gonna start with Apollo number 4, and I'm gonna, I guess, I'm not sure if I should be swiping this on. Yeah, let's swipe it on. All right, I'm gonna take a little brush, just blend out the edge here. Okay, I don't think the camera is doing it justice. It's definitely giving a lot of shimmer. Very cooling. It feels nice and cold on the eye. While this eye is drying, we're gonna go into Magic Hour from duo number 7 on this side. This one is really, really bright. Oh, this one is beautiful. I'm definitely preferring this metallic to this one. Just gonna press it in a little bit. So now I'm gonna go on top with the foil part of these. Now this one is Artemis number 4, and I'm gonna press that on top just lightly. And then on this side, we're gonna go in with the number 7 Aurora Radiance. This is the foil, and press that on top of there. All right, so just from me pressing it, you can see the tip is like really messy now. Let me see. I wasn't pressing it that hard, so I'm not sure why that's happening. Oh, yeah, and a big chunk is on my eyeshadow, so let me take that off. Now I'm just gonna, let me press it in, make sure there's no more like chunks. All right. Now I'm really feeling this eye. But it is giving a lot of color for sure, and it's dry. I'm sort of wiping off some of the chunks. Okay, I'm gonna finish my eyes, put on lashes and all the things, and finish my face, and then come back to you guys and show you what the product looks like, and then talk to you about it and let you know if I think it's worth the price and what I think about it. All right, guys, so this was my review of the Danessa Myricks Colorfix Stix duo eyeshadows in duo 4 and duo 7. I have one on each eye. I hope you guys got a good idea of what these can do. I do like the product. I don't see myself using it on my cheeks, but you know what? For the sake of the video, I will. Let me see, which one should I do? I think I'm gonna do this color, the one that's on this eye, on my cheek. I also don't know if I'm supposed to use the metallic or the foil on my cheeks. I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna go in with the metallic number 7 Magic Hour, and let's see how that works as a highlighter. I'm just gonna use my finger. All right, I don't like that. That looks really choppy and just not smooth. So I'm gonna go in with the foil to see if that's what I should have used. Let's see. So I don't like it as a highlighter. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm not sure if I needed to put it on with a brush, but even if I use any of my other highlighters, it wouldn't look like this. I don't think this is gonna be a highlighter for me. So no as a highlighter. Let me see it as a lip product. I'm gonna use I already have lipstick on, but I'll use it as a topper. So I'm going in with Artemis. And on my lips, I have the NYX Duck Plump in the shade 15, Twice the Spice. So let's put a little of this on there. Ooh. You know what's crazy? I have been looking for a nice gold lip. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I like it as a lip. Oh yeah, that looks really good. That looks really good. Ooh, so yeah, I'm gonna play around with that, but look at that. It just turned the lips into something else. So definitely on the eyes and on the lips, I will recommend. Not on the cheeks, but that's still 2 out of 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed our time together. And I will see you guys on the next one.